So in this question, consider a narrow band signal propagating in a lossless dielectric medium. Epsilon r is given as 4 and mu r is equal to 1. Mu r equal to 1 means non-magnetic material with phase velocity and groove velocity. Which of the following statement is true? Correct. Now, since epsilon r is given and what type of medium? So narrow band signal propagating in lossless dielectric. You can see that here the word that they have used is lossless. Correct. So for lossless dielectric, if I see here phase velocity, it is given as c upon root under epsilon r, right, because it is a lossless. So this is equal to c upon root of epsilon r means root of 4, that means c by 2. So it is less than c. So therefore I can clearly say that the phase velocity is less than c. Correct. So phase velocity is less than c. So there are two options that are available. One is option B and one is option D, because in option A and option C it is greater than c. Okay. Now we have to find the groove velocity. Now there is a relation between phase velocity and groove velocity. Vg is equal to Vp 1 minus omega upon Vp dVp upon d omega. Correct. Now here you can see that this phase velocity is a constant value, right. So therefore now you can see that phase velocity Vp is not a function of omega, isn't it? So phase velocity is a constant, it is not a function of omega, otherwise we could have differentiated it. So this implies that dVp upon d omega, it should be equal to 0, isn't it? So therefore what I can do is, so groove velocity is equal to phase velocity upon 1 minus 0. dVp upon d omega is 0, so that means Vg and Vp are same. So this is same as c by 2. So therefore again it is less than c. So therefore what I can observe here is that phase velocity is less than c, even the groove velocity is also less than c, isn't it? So phase velocity less than c, groove velocity is less than c. So if we look at the option, so phase velocity less than c and groove velocity is also less than c. So option D should be the answer.